everyone, welcome back to the Homestead Kitchen. Today I am making some homemade pesto. I just love pesto. Traditionally it is made with basil, and whenever I have extra basil I will make up some, put it in the freezer to save for later. So over the last couple years I've tried a few different ways to make pesto when I didn't have enough basil. One really delicious way was just substituting the basil for cilantro. I really like that. But last year I tried something new. I saw that you can pretty much sub any green for pesto. Today I'm going to be using carrot tops. That's right, I've been trying to utilize carrot tops a lot over the last year or so. One of the fun ways we've been able to save them is drying them and using them in place of parsley. We've also added them to sauteed greens, and that's been working well too, but nothing beats a good carrot top pesto. These carrot tops were picked a few days ago, so they are getting pretty wilty, but it's about 2 cups of carrot tops. I'm not great at measuring my ingredients. I'm more of the cook to taste type of person. While the carrot tops are washing, I'm gonna get my other ingredients going. They are so simple. Usually pesto has pine nuts in it, but pine nuts are kind of expensive and I don't keep them on hand, so I always use walnuts. I always keep a bag of these in the cupboard so I can make pesto whenever I have greens. I'll usually use about a half cup of walnuts, so not quite this many. I'm using just a shredded Parmesan cheese. You can use a lot of different kinds of cheese, but I just like a shredded Parmesan, about half a cup. About half a cup of olive oil. We really love garlic in our family, so I'll use a couple tablespoons of chopped up garlic. If you're not sure that you like that much garlic, start with a little bit and you can always add more. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I really love lemon juice in pesto. And then just a pinch or 2 of salt and pepper to taste. I don't know what it is about pesto. I just love it. If you don't do dairy, you could also sub out the cheese with nutritional yeast. I forgot to mention that. But I just love how versatile pesto is. You can use it on just about anything. I almost always have the ingredients on hand, and it's a great way to use up any greens you've got growing. What's your favorite way to make pesto? leave a comment down below.